Hi guys, Abhi Paul. I'm here with Multimedia, and today we're going to be talking about fractions and decimals. Objective: converting decimals to fractions and fractions to decimals. So, before we start this video, I want you guys to pause the video and make sure you know your decimal place value. If you don't, then this video is going to get pretty tricky. So if you do, great. If you don't, pause this video, either write it down on paper or try to memorize a few of them. So if you will pause the video, today we're going to be talking about how to convert these kind of decimals to fractions. 71 hundredths. So this this decimal converted to fraction would look like this. And today we're going to be talking about how we can do that. Let's get started with the video. Write this fraction as a decimal. Now, so I'm going to talk about the decimal place value first. So I'm going to write a number like 0.10. And I'm going to talk about the decimal. So the decimal to the left stays the same, but the numbers to the right of decimal, the place value changes. So this 1 here would be tens, and the 0 here would be the hundreds. And so on, so on, so on. So always make sure that the numbers to the right of the decimal are quite different, and then to the left are quite different. So let me erase these. Okay. Now, time for our first problem. 75 hundredths. We can convert this to, so we're going to look at the denominator first. That means we have a 0 point something, and then the numerator are the numbers to the right of the decimal. So our answer would be 0.75. So the digits on the numerator are the numbers to the right of the decimal. So our answer will be 0.75 for this equation. And then to our next one, 0.81. And now we're going to convert this to a fraction. So this would be 81 hundredths. Because there's supposed to be a decimal here. The numbers to the right of the decimal are the numerator, and then the place value is 100 because this would be tens and this would be hundreds. Now let's try a couple of these. 0.75, if you were paying attention to this video, you would already know it would be 75 hundredths because the numbers right to the decimal are the numerator and then the place value. So if this would be 750, this would be the tens, hundreds, and then 1,000. So then I hope you got my point. I erase these. So our answer, our answer for the first problem is 75 hundredths. And you want to make sure you don't say like 75 and 100s. You say 75 hundredths. So when you talk about fractions, make sure your wording and everything is correct because it can confuse some kids. So 8 tenths. This would be 0.08 because there's only the denominator is 10, so the place value would be 10, and then the number on the numerator is to the right of the decimal. So 0.12 would be 12 100ths. Be your answer for number 3. Our answer is 12 100ths. And then for number 4, 81 hundredths. So this would be 0.81 would be our answer for the number 4. And number 5, 0.21 would be 21 hundredths. And then for number 6, 0.73 would be 73 hundredths. Now, I suggest you learn your place value for your decimals, or else fractions and converting fractions to decimals will get really, really tricky because fractions are already pretty tricky for some kids. I don't want to confuse you guys, so make sure you learn your place value. I went to the wrong slide, wrong page. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some problems here. I'll write 0.71, and then I'm gonna write 85 100s. And I want you guys to pause the video, comment down below which one of these the answer for these two, and please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and share this video to your 4th grade friends, and look out for the 4th grade playlist that's coming out soon. So if your friend is going to 4th grade, please tell them to look at the playlist. And please, if you have technical issues, and if you want to do anything like this and you have technical issues, please comment down below and we can help you. And please tell us how we can make our videos better. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Abiram Paulum. Goodbye.